So guys, hello and welcome to this channel. So in the previous tutorials we saw what is Numpy, what is its use and so on. So we are going to start its implementation from now onwards. So for installing Numpy, what you're going to do is you need some basic functions, like you need to install Python. You need to have the setup of Python. You need to have ideally or PyCharm. So I use PyCharm, so obviously I'll have to use install PyCharm and all. But it's dependent upon you. If you use ideally, then it's all your call. So first of all, you need to install Python, or you need to have the setup of Python, and obviously you need to have the latest version. It is more preferable, and ideally in PyCharm. And afterwards, you need pip. So first of all, what is pip? So pip is a package installer in Python. We use it to install or download some packages that we can import in PyCharm actually. So the full form of pip is pip installs package or pip installs Python. So now let us see how to install pip first. So first of all, for installing Python, I know most of you should have installed Python firstly, but if you don't have installed or if you don't have the latest version, just Google download Python and you go to this official site python.org. This is the official site, and according to the machine that you have Linux, Mac OS or other. I have Windows, so I can just click over here. I can check out the various versions that are available for downloading, but obviously I need the latest version, that is Python 3.8.5 at the moment of this filming of this video. So I'll download this version. If you don't have the latest version, then you can just download the latest version by going to this site and just click on download Python, and you'll just save the setup and all. So I already have downloaded it, so I am not going to download it again. So first of all, you have to download it, click on it, and you have to install it. So I have installed it firstly, so I don't have to install it again. So I'm going to discuss about upgrade now, and after all the things afterwards. So first of all, what if you want to install pip now? So first of all, to install pip, just press start, just press command prompt, go to the command prompt. So this is the command prompt that I have. So if you want to check if you have installed pip or no, so just type pip over here and press enter. So when you type pip and press enter, if you have pip installed already, you'll get all these, all these commands that yes, you have pip installed. But if you don't have pip installed on your machine, then it will give an error. It will say that unidentified command or something like that. So if you have not installed pip, then what you have to do is just go to this setup. If you have installed Python firstly and still it shows you an error after installing, then go to this setup. It will show you this dialog box. Then you have upgrade now. So just click on this and you can upgrade it. This is just for upgradations and so on. So that will take us some amount of time. I'll wait for it. Okay, it's downloaded. Now just click on close. But what if you again install command prompt, and if you type pip again and press enter, it can show you error again. So for that, I have installed it already, so it is not showing me any error. So just click on this icon now, and when you click on this icon, so if you have the upgrade version firstly, it will directly show you this dialog box. So you just have to modify. So when you click on modify, if you don't have installed pip, this this checkbox is not tick marked. So if you don't have it installed, so if you want to install it, just tick mark this checkbox and click on next and install it, and so on. Okay, so I already have installed it, so it is fine. So after you install it, pip will get installed and it will work. So after that, again open the command prompt and type pip. Then it will show you these all commands, that it means pip is installed in your system. So to check the version of pip, just type pip minus minus or hyphen hyphen, whatever you want to call it, and just type version and press enter. So you get the version of pip that is installed in your system. So I think that's all for this tutorial. Afterwards, we're going to see, after installing pip, how do we install numpy and scipy and whatever we want to install. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe as it is free. And until then, stay tuned and keep learning.